Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Revolutionaries of India. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? Revolutionaries of India. It means Bharatna Kranti Veero. What was the meaning of this chapter, dear children? Revolutionaries of India, it means Bharatna Kranti Veero. Now first of all, dear children, we have to learn about the introduction part of this chapter. Today being the Martyrs Day. What happened, dear children? Today being the Martyrs Day. Martyrs Day, it means Shahid Din. A film named The Legend of the Bhagat Singh. Which film, dear children? The Legend of the Bhagat Singh are going to be shown in the school. What happened, dear children? They have given that today being the Martyrs Day. Martyrs Day, it means Shahid Din. A film named The Legend of the Bhagat Singh are going to be shown in the schools. And I am requesting each and every children that you have also please watch this film, The Legend of the Bhagat Singh. Now are going to be shown into the school. On entering the class, a teacher recited the following verses. Now what happened, dear children? Now whenever the teacher was entering in the class, that time the teacher is also reciting the following verses. Which verses, dear children? They have to given that सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. Which one, dear children? सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. This kind of the verses are recited by the teacher when the teacher was entering into the class. After reciting this line, the class teacher talked about the revolutionaries of India. Now what happened, dear children? After reciting this line, which line? सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. These kind of the line recited by the class teacher talk about the revolutionaries of India. Many known and unknown martyrs struggle for the freedom till death during the freedom struggle of the India. Now what happened, dear children? We know very well that many known and unknown martyrs struggle for the freedom till the death during the freedom struggle of the India. After the revolt of the 1857, dear children, you know very well that after the revolt of the 1857, many revolutionary fought individually or they formed a group and declared the revolts against the British Empire. Now, dear children, what happened there? They were given that the many revolutionary fought against the British as an individually, otherwise they formed one group and declared the revolts against the British Empire. The people all over the country remember their stories till the date. Dear children, underline what happened there? They are saying that people all over the country remember the stories about their revolutionaries person till date today. Those brave men and women who revolts against the British government are known as the revolutionaries of India. Dear children, underline in your text what they are given that, dear children, they are given that those brave it means what? Those brave men and women who revolt it means withdraw, revolt against the British government are known as the revolutionaries of India. It means उसे हम भारत के क्रांतिवीर कह सकते हैं. So what happened, dear children? They are given that this brave men and women revolts against the British government are known as the revolutionaries of India, and their activities were also the revolutionaries. People from all walk of life, literate or illiterate, royal or ordinary, took part in this revolution. If you have to see, dear children, in this revolt, then we can say that the people from all walk of the life, literate or illiterate person, royal or ordinary, took the part in this revolutionary activities. Revolutionary activities were carried of the revolutionaries' activities are carried out in the various degree across the all over the India. Revolutionaries' activity were initiated by the first martyr Vasudev Balwant Phadke, who hailed from the Maharashtra. Underlining here, children, this is the most important thing. What they are saying that revolutionaries' activities were initiated by the first martyr. Martyr, it means Shahiduna, first martyr. Vasudev Balwant Phadke, who hailed from the Maharashtra. So dear children, this is the most important there. Revolutionaries' activity were initiated by the first martyr Vasudev Balwant Phadke, who hailed from the Maharashtra. Dear children, after in your textbook, they were given one Chingari given by the Ram Prasad Bismil. Which Chingari is there? मालिक तेरी रजा रहे और तू ही तू रहे. What they are saying that dear children, मालिक तेरी रजा रहे और तू ही तू रहे, बाकी न मैं रहूं न मेरी आरज़ू रहे, बाकी न मैं रहूं न मेरी आरज़ू रहे, जब तक है तन में जान, जब तक है तन में जान, रगों में लहू रहे, तेरा हो जिक्र या तेरी ही जुस्तजू रहे. What they are last line they are saying, तेरा हो जिक्र या तेरी ही जुस्तजू रहे. This quote was given by the Ram Prasad Bismil. And repeat for all these things. मालिक तेरी रजा रहे और तू ही तू रहे, बाकी न मैं रहूं न मेरी आरज़ू रहे, जब तक है तन में जान रगों में लहू रहे, तेरा हो जिक्र या तेरी ही जुस्तजू रहे. So dear children, this line was given by the Ram Prasad Bismil as a Chingari, and one image they also shown in your textbook, and this is for the torch of the revolution. It means Krantini Masala. Now dear children, first of all we have to learn about the Vasudev Balwant Phadke. What happened then dear children? First of all we have to learn about the Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Now Vasudev Balwant Phadke was the pioneer of the revolutionaries' activities in India. Dear children, you know very well that who is the pioneer of the revolutionaries' activity in India. Then you have to remember that Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Underlining. So dear children, we can say that the pioneer of the revolutionaries' activity in India was Vasudev Balwant Phadke, and he worked in the Pune. Unjust and partial approach of the British government. What they are saying that dear children, they are saying that injustice and the partial approach of the British government irritated him so much that he left his job. Which kind of the approach of the British government, dear children? Injustice and the partial approach, and because of that, there what happened there? He left his job. He took a vow of not applying the tilak on his forehead and not to cut his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the British Empire. Now what happened there, dear children? They are saying that he took a one vow. Which one? They are taking the one vow. Vow, it means pratigna. That he took vow that not applying the tilak on his forehead and not to cut his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the British Empire. And because of that, he formed a secret armed group, revolutionaries called Ramosi, to fight against the British Empire. So what happened then, dear children? He prepared one group. So what happened then, dear children? He formed a one secret armed group of the revolutionary, and it is called as the Ramosi, to fight against the British Empire. And the British government also declared him a wanted. Now what happened then, dear children? And because of that, the British government declared him a wanted with a bounty of rupees 4,000. Bounty, it means enough. Because of that, British government declared him a wanted, and because of that, with a bounty of rupees 4,000, यानी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? उसके लिए एक इनाम की घोषणा की और वो इनाम कितना रखा गया था 4000. He trained the young men to attack the British camp. Now what happened that dear children, Vasudev Balwantwar given the training to the young men to attack the British camp, to rob the government treasury and to use the gun and the other weapons. The British government become the desperate to arrest him at any cost. And what happened that dear children, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कैसे भी करके उसे पकड़ना चाहती थी और वासुदेव बलवंत फड़के क्या करते थे, वो जो यंग मैन दे हैव आल्सो गिवन द ट्रेनिंग देम एंड अटैक द ब्रिटिश कैंप एंड रोब द गवर्नमेंट ट्रेजरी एंड यूज द गन्स एंड द अदर वेपन अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश. थैंक यू डियर चिल्ड्रन.